Hello friends, today I'll show you how to sign up on Mailchimp.com. So simply type Mailchimp.com in your browser and hop on the website. Now you can see a sign up free button. Mailchimp also offers different pricing plans which you can see on clicking the pricing button on the top. Amongst the three plans, first one is free and helps you get your business up and running. Second one helps you level up with features that grow with you. And the third one assures you to add more power to your marketing. One thing that we need to remember while using the free plan is that the total number of subscribers offers in this plan should not exceed a count of 2000. And you can send 12,000 emails a month to them. That is, you can send 6 emails to each subscriber in a month. Secondly, chat support is available for only first 30 days over email only, while other things remain constant with the paid plans till now. You can also use other features like email campaigns, landing pages, pop-up form, postcards, Google remarketing ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and many other features. These features will help you in automation and optimizing your campaigns in a better way. You can see all the features listed out here on the page. You can also estimate your monthly rate based on your subscribers here. They have also given a quick reference table on their website. And finally comes the FAQs and other promotional sections. So let's come back to the home page and click on sign up free button. Now you will be redirected to a sign up page where you are required to add your email, select a username and set a password. So let me add my email. My username will be, now I have entered my email. My username will be, and password will be. Now let's click on get started. You will now be requested to activate your account with the link sent to you on your email. Simply click on the activation button in the email, or you can copy paste the verification link in the browser. Let me do the latter one. I have copied the link and now I have pasted it into the address bar. Once this is done, you will be asked to enter your name and some other business details. So I've entered my name and now I'm entering about my business. I'm just entering some random values to show you the process. It'll prompt you for your address, enter the details, and click on the continue button. Let me add my address and now continue. Now it will ask you if you have the list of people who have signed up to receive marketing emails from your organization. They are called subscribers. Select your appropriate response, select a list size, and click on continue button. You can also add up your social channels here and click on continue. The next screen may ask you to tell more about your business again. You can select not right now option, but I am just entering some random values to show you the process, but you must answer all of them best as per your knowledge. Now, you want customers to interact directly with the person on the phone, online, or a location? Yes. Do you make money off the content on your website? No. Do your customers interact with your business mostly through a software or app interface? No. Do you sell things online? You can go back as well. No. Now we are ready to use our super smart Mailchimp account. You may subscribe for a bi-weekly newsletter about tips and experiments from this page. Finally, you are on your Mailchimp dashboard. So this concludes today's topic of signing up on Mailchimp. Click on the subscribe button now as I'll show you how to successfully send an email marketing campaign using this amazing email marketing tool in the coming days. So stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye.